Dear viewers, autumn has arrived, and with it comes the enchanting allure of change. The world outside is painted in rich, fiery hues, and it's time to reflect that warmth and comfort within your own home. Picture this: the soft crackling of a warm fireplace, a cup of spiced cider in your hands, and the embrace of a home exuding rustic charm. In this video, we're about to unlock the secrets of creating an interior that not only celebrates the beauty of autumn but also wraps you in its cozy embrace. Cozy up your space, Rustic Chic Autumn Decor Unveiled. We'll guide you through the art of Hygge, exploring the Danish philosophy of creating a sanctuary of comfort and contentment. You'll learn how to craft mesmerizing centerpieces from unexpected items, select the perfect rustic and vintage furniture pieces, and breathe new life into antique treasures. But that's not all. We're here to spark your creativity with upcycled art and space-saving hanging gardens. Plus, we'll empower you with delightful DIY projects, allowing your unique personality to shine through in every corner. So, join us on this journey to elevate your living space into a haven of rustic chic comfort. But first, warm welcome to Opalux channel. Thank you for continuing to watch this video. Consider subscribe to Opalux channel. By subscribing, you won't miss out on any of our future content. We're here to help, entertain, and inform, so be sure to stay in the loop. Hygge Haven, dive into Danish comfort. Now we dive into the heart of coziness, exploring the concept of Hygge Haven. Hygge, pronounced Hygge, is a Danish philosophy that celebrates the art of creating a warm and inviting atmosphere within your home. It's all about finding joy in life's simple pleasures and embracing the cozy side of life. At the core of Hygge is the idea of softness and comfort. Start by introducing plush textures into your space. Think soft pillows and blankets that invite you to snuggle up and relax. These cozy additions not only provide physical comfort but also evoke a sense of emotional warmth. Warm lighting plays a crucial role in achieving a Hygge Haven. Opt for soft, diffuse lighting sources like candles, string lights, or table lamps with warm tone bulbs. This gentle illumination creates a soothing ambience that's perfect for winding down after a long day. If you have a fireplace, consider it the crown jewel of your Hygge Haven. The flickering flames and crackling sound add a mesmerizing touch of coziness. Even if you don't have a real fireplace, you can recreate the ambience with electric alternatives or even a video loop of a roaring fire. Create inviting nooks within your space where you can curl up with a good book or simply enjoy some me time. A comfy chair or a well-cushioned window seat paired with a soft throw rug can transform any corner into a Hygge retreat. And don't forget your senses. Infuse your space with comforting scents like cinnamon, vanilla, or freshly baked cookies. Brew a cup of your favorite tea or hot cocoa and wrap yourself in a soft, oversized blanket. These sensory experiences are essential for nurturing your inner Hygge. We've unlocked the secrets of creating a Hygge Haven. It's all about embracing comfort, warmth, and the simple joys of life. So, go ahead and infuse your space with Hygge, turning it into a sanctuary where you can unwind, recharge, and savor the cozy moments. Autumnal Centerpiece Magic. As we embrace the spirit of autumn, it's time to adorn your home with captivating centerpieces that celebrate the season's natural beauty. We'll guide you through the art of crafting unforgettable centerpieces that will be the focal point of your rustic chic decor. We're talking about those awe-inspiring arrangements that capture the very essence of autumn. Our first centerpiece idea, hollowed out pumpkins. These versatile gourds serve as the perfect canvas for your creativity. Carve intricate designs or simply fill them with a medley of colorful autumn flowers and foliage. The result, a striking and rustic centerpiece that exudes the charm of the season. But let's not stop there. Dried flower arrangements are another fantastic option. They add an air of timeless elegance to your decor. Gather an assortment of dried blooms and arrange them in vintage vases or even repurposed mason jars. The muted, earthy tones of dried flowers perfectly complement the cozy atmosphere. For those seeking a touch of nostalgia, antique crates are your secret weapon. These weathered crates, when filled with autumnal treasures like pine cones, acorns, and charming mini pumpkins, become instant eye-catchers. Place them at the center of your table for a rustic chic vibe that's simply irresistible. Remember, it's not just about the centerpiece itself, it's the entire tableau. Layer your table with soft linens and warm autumn hues, complemented by rustic tableware. Add finishing touches with delicately folded cloth napkins and rustic name cards for your guests. It's all in the details. We've unveiled the secrets to creating stunning centerpieces that will leave your guests in awe. Whether you choose hollowed-out pumpkins, dried flower arrangements, or antique crates, your dining table will become a canvas for autumn splendor. Embrace rustic vintage vibes. We invite you to embrace the rustic and vintage aesthetic. Picture wooden tables with character, distressed cabinets that tell stories, and leather seating that exudes timeless comfort. These elements are the building blocks of your cozy retreat. Begin with a statement piece like a weathered wooden dining table. Its natural imperfections and rich patina add depth and character to your space. Pair it with mismatched vintage chairs for an eclectic touch that's both inviting and visually intriguing. Now, let's talk storage. Distressed cabinets, with their weathered finish and intricate detailing, are more than just functional pieces, they're works of art. They provide the perfect backdrop for showcasing your cherished decor items and collectibles. Leather seating is the epitome of comfort and elegance. The rich, earthy tones of leather sofas or armchairs harmonize beautifully with the warm hues of autumn. It's where you'll want to unwind with a good book and a cozy throw. Don't forget the accents. Vintage mirrors, aged brass candle holders, and antique picture frames add layers of nostalgia to your space. These unique touches evoke a sense of timelessness and make your home feel truly one of a kind. We've uncovered the power of rustic and vintage furniture pieces in creating a chic yet cozy atmosphere. From wooden tables to distressed cabinets and leather seating, each element contributes to the inviting warmth of your rustic chic retreat. Antique Treasures Reimagined. We invite you to venture into the world of repurposed antiques. It's a journey where old windows become picture frames, reclaimed barnwood finds new purpose, and vintage treasures take on new forms. First, let's talk windows. Those weathered panes that once framed distant views can now frame cherished memories. Transform an antique window into a captivating picture frame, adding character and history to your decor. Next, we have reclaimed barnwood, rich with rustic character. It's perfect for crafting unique shelving units. These shelves not only provide functional storage but also serve as captivating focal points in your space. Don't overlook your vintage treasures. Turn old crates into rustic bookshelves or antique suitcases into stylish storage. With a touch of creativity, these items become functional pieces of art that celebrate the past. And as you reimagine these treasures, remember that small details matter. Vintage doorknobs as drawer pulls, retro hooks as coat hangers, or ornate keys as decorative accents, these are the finishing touches that infuse your space with a sense of history. We've uncovered the art of repurposing antique items to add character and depth to your decor. From old windows to reclaimed barn wood and vintage treasures, each piece tells a story and becomes a cherished part of your rustic chic autumn haven. Transforming trash into art. In this section, we invite you to unleash your creativity and see the beauty in the discarded. It's a journey where old becomes new and the forgotten finds a fresh purpose. Let's start with windows, those timeless portals. With a coat of paint and a little imagination, an old window frame can become a stunning vintage mirror. It adds depth, character, and a touch of history to your decor. But upcycling doesn't stop there. You can turn discarded wooden pallets into rustic wall art, repurpose vintage crates into stylish storage solutions, or transform old ladders into unique bookshelves. The possibilities are as endless as your creativity. Enhance your space with upcycled decor accents like coffee tables crafted from reclaimed doors, chandeliers fashioned from vintage silverware, or artistic installations made from discarded metal. These items are not only eco-friendly but also true conversation starters. And remember, upcycling isn't just about repurposing. It's about the joy of creating something new. Gather your paints, brushes, and tools and let your imagination run wild. The process itself is a form of art. We've uncovered the transformative power of upcycling. From old windows to discarded pallets and vintage silverware, each item can find a new purpose and become a stunning addition to your rustic chic autumn retreat. Elevate with hanging gardens. Here, we take your rustic chic decor to new heights, literally, with captivating hanging garden installations. We invite you to explore the vertical dimension of your space. Hanging gardens not only provide a stunning visual focal point but also maximize your decor possibilities. Let's begin with suspended wooden crates. These versatile containers can hold a lush variety of plants, creating a captivating blend of nature and design. Whether you choose cascading vines or vibrant blooms, your hanging gardens will infuse your space with life and color. Now, envision vintage birdcages taking on a new role as botanical showcases. Fill them with small potted plants or delicate succulents, creating whimsical hanging gardens that add a touch of enchantment to your decor. Don't limit yourself to traditional containers. Explore macrame plant hangers, hanging terrariums, or repurposed buckets as unique vessels for your greenery. Mix and match to create a visually stunning and space-saving decor option. The beauty of hanging gardens lies not only in their aesthetics but also in their versatility. Hang them in your living room to breathe life into the space, place them in the kitchen for fresh herbs at your fingertips, or create an oasis in your bedroom for soothing relaxation. We've explored the art of bringing the outdoors in, creating hanging garden installations that are both visually stunning and space-saving. Whether you choose wooden crates, vintage birdcages, or other creative vessels, your hanging gardens will elevate your rustic chic autumn haven to new heights of beauty and tranquility. Craft your dream decor. We invite you to unleash your inner artist and create custom pieces that add a personal touch to your rustic chic space. In this section, we celebrate the joy of crafting and the empowerment that comes from creating decor that reflects your unique style. Get ready to embark on a DIY adventure. Let's begin with custom pumpkin centerpieces. With a dash of creativity and a few crafting supplies, you can transform plain pumpkins into works of art. From elegant painted designs to intricate carvings, these pumpkins will grace your space with a touch of autumn magic. Illuminate your evenings with hand-painted mason jar candle holders. These charming creations can be customized to match your decor theme. They cast a warm and inviting glow, adding to the cozy atmosphere of your home. Personalized rustic signage adds a personal touch to your space. Craft your own wooden signs, each bearing a message or quote that resonates with you. These signs not only decorate your walls but also tell a story. But crafting your dream decor goes beyond these examples. It's about embracing the process, from choosing materials to letting your creativity flow. Whether you're knitting cozy blankets, designing your own artwork, or repurposing old furniture, the possibilities are endless. We've explored the art of infusing your space with DIY creations that truly reflect your style and personality. From custom pumpkin centerpieces to hand-painted mason jar candle holders and personalized rustic signage, each piece adds a layer of authenticity to your rustic chic autumn haven. Conclusion tells your story. And there you have it, dear viewers, the enchanting journey through rustic chic autumn decor. We ventured from the comforts of Hygge Haven to the heights of Elevate with hanging gardens. As we conclude this journey, remember that your home is a canvas and you are the artist. Embrace the warmth of autumn, the beauty of rustic chic, and the joy of self-expression. Create a space that not only welcomes you but also tells your story. Thank you for joining us on this adventure of transformation and inspiration. May your home be a sanctuary of comfort, style, and natural splendor. Until next time, stay cozy and keep creating.